Welcome student to Subhash English School digital lecture. Our today's topic is English grammar and in this we will learn about verb. Verb. Verb means action, kriya. A verb is a word which tells us something about the action of a person, place or things. क्रिया वो होती है जो हमें किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के द्वारा किए गए कार्यों का होना या करना बताता है. एग्जाम्पल: read, play, sing. These are verbs. A verb tells us about being of something, having something, action of a person. Being of something means avastha, state. Example: he is a boy, they are happy, she was rich. In this sentences, subject is not doing any work, but I use is, are, was as a helping verb and auxiliary verb because this helped us to create sentence. Having something means किसी चीज का होना, अधिकार होना. I have a car, she has a good voice, he had 2 houses. मेरे पास कार है, उसकी वॉइस अच्छी है और उसके 2 घर थे. In this sentences, have, has, had used as a main verb because I didn't use any other verb after this. Let's see one more example. I have sold a car. मैंने कार बेची मीन्स मैं वो कार बेच चुकी हूँ. And I used have as a helping verb because I used another verb sold and sold is my main verb. Now action of a person. Action of a person means किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्य जो वो फिजिकली करता है. I play, you sing, she cried. मैं खेलती हूँ, तुम गाते हो, वह चिल्लाई. In this sentences, play, sing, cried used as a main verb and as an action verb also because we are doing physically work in these sentences. I hope you understood about verb. Let's talk kinds of verb. Kinds of verb, verb के प्रकार. There are two main kinds of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means sakarmak kriya and intransitive verb means akarmak kriya. Example: he is playing football and next is he is playing in the full. In first example, playing जो है एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज हुआ है एंड इन द सेकेंड playing used without an object. First, transitive verb, sakarmak kriya. A transitive verb is the verb which needs an object to complete its sense. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब वो होता है जिन्हें कंप्लीट करने के लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है. मीन्स डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. वी कांट मेक एनी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट, शी मेड बट व्हाट. उसने बनाया बट क्या. इट सेंटेंस इज इनकम्प्लीट क्योंकि मैंने ये नहीं एक्सप्लेन किया है कि उसने एग्जैक्ट बनाया क्या है. इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, शी मेड अ केक. उसने केक बनाया है. इट इज कंप्लीटेड बिकॉज आई यूज्ड डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट अ केक हियर. लेट्स टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल. आई रोट एन एसे. मैंने लिखा. व्हाट आई रोट? एन एसे. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. आई एम प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. मैं फुटबॉल खेल रही हूँ. इट इज ऑल्सो the example of transitive verb because I explain here what I am doing exactly. So this is the transitive verb means जो कर्म के साथ यूज हो बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के जिसे हम कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए, इट कॉल ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, intransitive verb, अकर्मक क्रिया. A verb used without an object is called an intransitive verb. वह वर्ब या वह क्रिया जो बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के भी कंप्लीट होती है, वी कॉल इट intransitive verb. मीन्स बिना कर्म, विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट वी कैन क्रिएट एनी सेंटेंस, वी कॉल इट intransitive verb. लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. ही इज लाफिंग. वह हंस रहा है. प्लीज सीट. कृपया बैठिए. इन दिस सेंटेंसेस आई डिडंट मेंशन व्हाट is doing. He is laughing. It is completed कि वो हंस रहा है एंड मेरा सेंटेंस यहाँ कंप्लीट है. एंड नेक्स्ट, प्लीज सिट. कृपया बैठिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीटेड. Let's do some more example in this sentences. He is crying, वह चिल्ला रहा है. She is playing, वह खेल रही है. This is the example of intransitive verb. यह वो verb है जो हम बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के भी हम कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. Okay students, so here not for you. In order to find out whether a verb is a transitive verb or intransitive verb, we must ask the question. If you want to find out your verb is a transitive or intransitive, you must ask question. What and whom. What for non-living thing and whom for living thing. Let's see some more example about transitive or intransitive verb. It would help you to find out difference both of this verb. Transitive verb. Ram spoke the truth. What Ram spoke? The truth. In this sentence, the truth is our direct object. He is playing football. What he is playing? Football. Football is our direct object. In third sentence, he rang the bell. What he rang? The bell. Means we get answer here. The truth, football and bell. What? जब मैंने पूछा what? The truth, football, bell. So, next, intransitive verb. Intransitive, as you know, we used intransitive verb without object and in our sentence will be complete. He spoke angrily. उसने गुस्से से कहा. In this sentence, I didn't use any direct object after a verb. Angrily is an adverb कि उसने किस तरह से बोला. He is playing in the field. वह फील्ड में खेल रहा है. I didn't explain here what he is playing. As we seen in transitive verb कि वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. But in the sentence I used the field. This is not an object. Next, the bell rang. घंटी बजी. What? I didn't get answer because I didn't explain object after the verb. So, now you would understood in what and whom, how you will found answer what and whom. So now, form of verbs. Verbs के प्रकार. Base form, past tense and past participle. Base form जो हम present में use करते हैं. Past tense जहाँ हम the second form verb की use करते हैं जो past simple में use होती है. Then participle form जो काम हो चुका होता है हम वहाँ use करते हैं. Regular verb. Regular verb means जो हम daily जो है जिसकी second and third form are same. We call it regular verb. Let's example like, liked, liked. Save, saved, saved. Play, played, played. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Pay, paid, paid. In these sentences, you see that second and third form are same. And we call it regular verbs. जिसकी second और third form same होती है and we used d and ed and make verb, we call it regular verb. Next, irregular verb. Irregular verb means three forms are different. Verb first, second and third. These are different. Write, wrote, return, go, went, gone, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen. Write, wrote, return, go, went, gone, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen. In these sentences, these three forms are different and we call it irregular verb. Now I hope you understood the difference between regular and irregular verb. Now your homework time. This homework related to your topic we studied today. Question number first. Pick out the verb and write whether it is used transitively or intransitively. इसमें से आपको verb pick out करना है and लिखना है वो transitive verb है या intransitive. The train stopped. It is raining. He wrote an essay. She bought a cycle. Question number second. Make 5 sentences using helping verb or auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, has, have, will. आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब या ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स का यूज करके 5 सेंटेंस क्रिएट करने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, मेक 5 सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग एक्शन वर्ब और मेन वर्ब। एक्शन वर्ब और मेन वर्ब का यूज करके आपको 5 सेंटेंस क्रिएट करने हैं। प्ले, राइट, थिंक, गो, राइज, एक्सेट्रा। So student, I hope you understood our today's topic verb. Do your homework in order to learn it better. If you have any doubt and question, write below in comment section. Thank you so much and have a good day.